Namaste, Shri Matre Namaha. I'm Dr. Pallavi Kwatra, and I've been walking the path of Tantra for a couple of years, doing my own sadhana, and in the process also understood how wealth and abundance is a part of our life that we cannot deny, we cannot forsake, and we need to be successful in these areas. So, applying the very sacred science of Tantra and its powerful and effective means how we can become more auspicious and abundant in our life was something I really researched on, and that has led to the birthing of do-it-yourself course, which is called as Sowbhagyam, Awakening Abundance through Tantra. And I'm going to take the opportunity to share screen with you, where I'm going to show you how to make use of this course and how to use this, how to purchase it, how to access its curriculum, everything. So this is my website, and this is the course page, which is under the section of DIY other courses that you see here, Sowbhagyam. So this is the page that's open here. And this is basically got 10 chapters. So what are the chapters? These chapters will help change your attitudes and your mindsets about money, and how money is basically an energy which needs to be in dynamic momentum, and how you can multiply it, amplify it. So there are these 5 basic subjects on which you will get 10 chapters. So the 10 chapters, each of the subject will be covered in notes kind of a thing, as well as in the form of a video based on explaining those notes. So total 10 chapters. So the other subjects that are covered here are yantras and rudrakshas, mantra and tantra sadhanas. What are the good sadhanas? What are the mantras of which deities you can use that are very good for benevolence, for wealth? And then some very unique tools for wealth, which are tantra tools. So they are not often spoken about, and the knowledge about people for these tools is very limited. So I will take this opportunity to show you what these tools are and how to make use of them. So there is also this video of, you can see this video to have a general overview of what I'm telling you. Pranams, Shri Matre Namaha. I'm Dr. Pallavi Kwatra, and I'm here to speak about my upcoming workshop on masters, and I am also personally using this. And here I am sharing with you. Okay. So when you actually purchase the course, you will get a button here on the page which says Access Course. So when you go into that, it opens the course curriculum for you, which I told you, as I told you, are the 10 chapters and the 5 subjects with their individual videos explaining those 5 subjects. So for example, the first subject here is going to be on a video tutorial. Each of these tutorials are about 15 to 20 minutes. So in this, not only does it give theory information, but then also I show those things to you. I show those tools. Namaste, Shri Matre Namaha. I'm Dr. Pallavi Kwatra, and welcome to the Awakening Abundance work. So basically, there's a lot so much meaning and using these courses and these resources for enhancing wealth in your life. So please make use of the DIY Sowbhagyam Awakening Abundance course. Thank you. Shri Matre Namaha.